This is the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem. We're called Kadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Shem, in the name of Hamashiach. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he just left.
He just left.
Yeah.
That is dry. That's why it's starting up for a bit. Well, I didn't play with it.
Yeah.
So I've been sitting there almost a month now.
Right.
Started up, then I started up again, next weekend.
Yeah.
Ranger on the bus. She probably had enough.
Who there? Who on the bus?
I'm on the bus.
Who?
I'm on the bus. They're gonna join your wig, mama. Join your wig.
Oh, he got the thing. Oh, no.
He got the wig, mama.
He better dress himself up like a beautiful person. Dang. I gotta get me one. I know if I was cry for me tomorrow, I'm gonna need something new.
Yeah.
Be over there. It's gonna be rain, thunderstorm Thursday.
Yeah.
They never got 30 something. And I got a winter coat.
Yeah.
That's you, man. Yeah, that fan do it.
Yeah.
See, y'all clean. You ain't got to buy nothing with the sun.
Yeah, true.
Junior's coming on in today. I was having my back trapped by the truck. Well, I cleaned that off. I cleaned off something because I get them. Now, I didn't clean up the kitchen.
Right.
And then spray on that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Salaki for that momentary pause. Talk to family members. Once again, Shalom. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Shem, in the name of Hamashiach Yahushai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Rosh Kodash Holy Tongue. And I say Barak Thumbs, the elders and apostles, Wa'aki, Ma'akwa, and I say Shalom. And this is a news article from breakingnews.net. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of February the 16th, 2026.
Hello, Moto.
And this is a sit-down lesson of earthquakes in diverse places as of February 16th, 2026 on this Monday afternoon. And this is from breakingnews.net, published 20 minutes ago, published by Christian Balha from the breakingnews.net. And you had a 6.0 magnitude earthquake strikes Russia's Kamchatskia, if I pronounce that right. It says a 6.0 magnitude earthquake struck the Kamchatskia Peninsula, located in Russia far east, according to the United States Geological Survey. The quake epicenter recorded 105 kilometers east to southeast in the Ozermansky sediments, constructed with a depth of 56.6 kilometers. No immediate reports of damages or casualties were reported. So you had a 6.0 earthquake. This was recently, because I believe it was that day before yesterday. You had a 6.0 earthquake potentially in that same area over there in Russia. Then you had a 5.7 over there in Solomon Islands. Yep, it says a strong magnitude of a 5.7 earthquake in the Coral Sea, 45 kilometers south of the Utopia Islands of Solomon. Right, that was a 5.7 earthquake over in that area. And this is the book of Matthew 24, verse 7. Once again, for nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right, so we're going to be seeing the uptick of modern day earthquakes in diverse places. Luke 21 in verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. And famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be of heaven. Right, so we're going to see every day increasing uptick of earthquakes in various places and earthquakes in diverse places. Now let's go to the earthquake tracker website. And this is from the latest earthquakes. Yep, latest earthquakes.gov. You had a total of 46 earthquakes recorded. You had a 3.1 earthquake recorded 5 kilometers east of Calumet, Oklahoma. 2.6 earthquake recorded 12 kilometers east to southeast of Sandpoint, Alaska. 6.0 earthquake recorded 105 kilometers east to southeast of Ozervanaski of Russia, if I pronounced that right. 2.5 earthquake recorded 23 kilometers west and northwest of Collier of Hawaii. 5.0 earthquake 29 kilometers north and northwest of Colima of Chile. 3.9 earthquake recorded 206 kilometers south of Nelaski, Alaska. 5.7 earthquake recorded 114 kilometers south of southeast Alatia, Solomon Islands. 2.8 earthquake recorded 20 kilometers west to southwest of Gerlach of Nevada. 4.2 earthquake recorded 34 kilometers east to southeast of Wyoming, Alaying, Taiwan, if I pronounced that right. 4.5 earthquake recorded 92 kilometers east of northeast of Hachinohe, Japan. 5.5 earthquake recorded in the southern mid-Atlantic ridge. 2.6 earthquake recorded 64 kilometers south southwest of Adok, Alaska. 3.0 earthquake recorded 139 kilometers west to southwest of Adok, Alaska. 3.2 earthquake recorded 69 kilometers south of southwest of Adok, Alaska. 5.7 earthquake recorded in the South Sandwich Island region. 2.8 earthquake recorded 56 kilometers north and northeast of Valley Ma, Nevada. 4.1 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers southwest of Malhar, Iran. 2.7 earthquake recorded 17 kilometers south of Tres Pininos of California. 2.6 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers south of Indios of Puerto Rico. 2.6 earthquake recorded 55 kilometers south of Yugol of Alaska. 4.9 earthquake recorded 22 kilometers west of Dome Palu of Indonesia. 3.9 earthquake recorded 186 kilometers south of Nalaski, Alaska. 4.8 earthquake recorded 32 kilometers southwest of Aliville, Chile. 2.7 earthquake recorded 34 kilometers east and northeast of Paxton, Alaska. 4.6 earthquake recorded.
Hello, Moto.
4.6 earthquake recorded 40 kilometers west and northwest of Riley Mati Beach of New Zealand. 4.6 earthquake recorded 70 kilometers north and northeast of Lae, Papua New Guinea. 3.1 earthquake recorded 60 kilometers south of White City, New Mexico. 4.4 earthquake recorded 195 kilometers west of Riverstone, New Zealand. 4.6 earthquake recorded 138 kilometers north and northwest of Tum X of China. 3.5 earthquake recorded 60 kilometers south of White City, New Mexico. 5.0 earthquake recorded 97 kilometers west of northwest of Pariaman, Indonesia. 2.7 earthquake recorded 9 kilometers south of southwest of Al-Karaxis of Oklahoma. 4.6 earthquake. So that was the latest earthquakes as of February the 16th, 2026 on this Monday afternoon. And the largest earthquake was that 6.0 earthquake over there in the far east peninsula of Russia. I would say the far east of Russia, eastern peninsula over there in Russia. That was the largest 6.0 earthquake. Within a day later, it was the same 6.0 earthquake, and I believe in that same region. And this is Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be of heaven. Right, so Yahushua mentioned it in the gospel, Luke 21 verse 11. So we definitely been seeing the uptick of earthquakes in diverse places. Oh, so, Second Esdras, chapter 9 verse 2. Then thou shalt understand it is that very same time where the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Right, so the highest was the Heavenly Father, Yahweh. He's going to begin to visit the world which he made. It seems that's what we're seeing signs of that. Second Esdras 9 verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes, uproars people of the world. Right, so increasing earthquakes and uproars people of the world that we're seeing on a day-to-day basis. And this is the book of Psalms. This is the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, and the founders also the hills moved with shaking because of wrath. Right, so we're going to be seeing the great shaking with the earthquakes, because we know the Heavenly Father, He's a righteous, boundless power. This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 29, in verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and the flaming fire. Right, so Yahweh of hosts is going to visit earth with the earthquakes. We see the signs of that. Isaiah 28 and verse 2. Behold, Yahweh has a mighty and a strong one. This is a tempest of head and a strong storm, as a flood of mighty waters should cast the earth their head. Right, so we see the Heavenly Father cast the earth their head with the great shakings, with the earthquakes, and we see the signs of that. And it says, this is from 6 hours ago from the Weather Boy. It says, 10th earthquake in 30 days in Squike, South Carolina. Earthquake reported near Kensingville, New York. It says, Turkey today. Turkey students turns to earthquake fear into life. Oh, that's something else. 3.0 earthquake magnitude shakes the Girl Lake of Nevada. It says Mymore earthquake tore 311 miles of land apart in seconds. Second earthquake, 3 days reported near Alimur. Yep, so we definitely gonna be seeing earthquakes in diverse places, various places in diverse places. So with that, this was just a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of February the 16th, 2026 on this Monday afternoon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem HaKarkadash, and the Heavenly Father, which your name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Ba'Hashem, and the name of Hamashiach Yahushai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Rosh Kodash all the tongue. And I say Barak them to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Akwaf. Till next time, I would say Shalom.